Hi guys, I'm Harsha. I'm going to discuss about the using Java arrays. First, I'm going to discuss about the in this matrix multiplication. So import java.util.scanner public class matrix multiplication public static void main string arrays scanner s equals to new scanner system.out.print enter the number of rows in A. Int rows in A equals to s dot next int A. System.out.print enter the number of columns in A. Int columns in A equals to s dot next int. System.out.println enter the rows in B. In int rows in B equals to s dot next int. System.out.print enter the number of columns in B. Int columns in B equals to s dot next int. If columns in A equals to rows in B. Int array A equals to new int rows in A, columns in A. Int array B equals to new int rows in B, columns in B. So system.out.println enter the matrix A. For int I equals to 0, I greater than A dot length I plus plus. For int j equals to 0, j greater than A of 0 length A of I j equals to s dot next int. System.out.print and enter the matrix B. For int I equals to 0, I greater than B. For int I j equals to 0, j greater than B of 0 length B of ij equals to s dot next int. Int int of c equals to multiply a comma b. System.out.println product of a and b is for int I equals to 0, I greater than c length I plus plus. For int j equals to 0, j greater than equals to c of 0 length j plus plus. System.out.print c of ij plus system.out.println else system.out.println matrix multiplication is not possible. Static int multiply int array a, int array b, int rows in A, length b, int columns in A equals to A of 0 dot length, int columns in B equals to B of 0 in length, int array c equals to new int rows in A, columns in B. For int I equals to 0, I greater than rows in A, I plus plus. For int j equals 0, j greater than columns in B, j plus plus. For int a equals 0, j greater than columns in A, k plus plus. C of I j equals to C of I j plus A of I k into B of k j. Return C. Now I'm going to print this program. Run this program. Enter number of rows in A. I'm giving 4 rows. Enter number of columns in A. I'm giving 6 columns. Enter number of rows in B. I'm giving 4. Enter number of columns in B. 8. Matrix conversion is not possible. Will successfully. So these are good. And now I'm going to discuss about in this program using Java as min-max. Now package min-max. Import java.util.scanner public class min-max public static void main strings arrays scanner a equals to new scanner system.in int b of equals to new int 444 int max equals to 0 print ln enter the elements of 4 into 4 array matrix for int I equals to 0 j greater than 4 I greater than 4 I plus for int j equals to 0 j greater than 4 plus j plus plus b of ij equals to a dot next int small order print ln small order print ln the given matrix is for int I equals to 0 I greater than 4 I plus for int j equals 0 j greater than 4 j plus if b of I j is greater than less than matrix max equals to maximum equals to b of I j small order print ln print b of I j plus within space System order println slash in and close the for bracket. Int minimum equals to maximum. For int I equals to 0, I greater than 4, I plus 2. For int I j equals to 0, j greater than 4, j greater than 4, j plus 2. Yeah. If b of ij greater than minimum equals to b of ij. Now I am going to run this program. Enter number of 4 into 4 as a matrix. Now I'm going to search Java. Search Python search import Java data scanner public class search public static void main string arrays scanner a equals to new scanner system dot in system dot print and enter number of elements in b equals to of next int x of equals to new int of b int of b int b equals to next int b system dot print into the elements for int I equals to 0 I get then b I plus x of I equals to a dot next int system order print ln into the number of elements into such int d equals to 0 for int I equals to 0 I greater than I greater than plus system order print founded position I plus 1 d equals to 1 if d equals to 0 so order to print and element not founded. Now I'm going to run this program. Enter the number of elements. Number of elements. 3. Enter the elements. 6, 4. Enter the elements to search up. 4, 5, 6. Yeah, everything is now got the output successfully. It is in second position. Now I'm going to discuss about the sorting in Java. Sorting. Public package sorting. Import Java data scanner public class sorting. Public static void main strings arrays int and number temperature scanner as equals to new scanner system button symbol output printer. Enter the number of elements if you want to in array and and equals to s dot next int a of equals to new int system order print ln. Enter all the elements if int I equals to so int I equals to 0 I greater than n I greater than I plus plus a of I equals to s dot next int close the power bracket for int I equals to 0 I greater than n and I plus plus open the curly bracket for int I j equals to I plus 1 j greater than n j plus plus is j plus plus increment if we now open the power bracket if a of I equals less than a of j temp equals to a of a of I equals to a of j equals to temp system order print int ascending order for int I equals to 0 I greater than n I plus system order print a of I plus system order print ln slash and descending order For int I equals to n minus 1, I less than equals to 0, I incremental, decremental. System order to print ln a of I plus a. Now I'm going to run this program. And the number of elements, we want to in array 54. Enter all the elements. And the number of elements are 4, 56. This is the operating model, descending model. Now we got successfully read the output. Now I'm going to discuss about the transpose in Java. Transpose. In package import Java details of public class transpose, public static void main string arrays, scanner A equals to new scanner system dot in C of new equals to new int 3 system dot print and enter the elements of 3 into 3 matrix. For int I equals 0, I greater than 3, I plus s. For int I j equals 0, j greater than 3, j plus s. C of ij equals to a dot next dot int. System dot print ln. The given matrix is slash n. For int I equals to q0, I greater than 3, I plus plus. For int j equals 0, j greater than 3, j plus s. System dot print ln c of ij a plus system.println slash n system.println giving the space system.println the transpose matrix is slash n. For int I is equals to 0, I greater than 3 plus I plus for int j equals 0, j greater than 3, j plus system.println c of I j plus giving the space system.println slash n. Now I'm going to run this program. 3 into 3 matrix. Now I'm going to do this is the order.